Hey girl, hey! I wanted to start this vlog off letting you guys know that I am sick. If you can't hear it in my voice, I am sick. My nose is stopped up. I think I just have a little cold, so I've been taking some Zicam and trying to knock it out. So bear with me, you guys. I will try to have October 16th, today's video, up as soon as possible. I just finished updating my sales map for the month of September. We only had one new state, and that was West Virginia. I did have a bunch of duplicate states, but since they're already filled in, of course, I'm not going to fill them in again. A lot of my orders for the month of September came from Texas, like a lot of them. Don't know what's going on with that. If that's where all of my content is showing at, that's nice. I just wanted to update y'all on the sales map for the month of September. Y'all, I don't know what's going on, but I have gotten sick. Just overnight, I've literally just... Yesterday, my body was hurting. The clips from the beginning of the video is from yesterday morning. So everything after that is from now me being sick. So, I'm sick. Yay. I think it's just a cold, so it's nothing to really worry about. I've been taking Zicam and it really, really works. And I'm just staying hydrated with some Gatorade and making sure I'm resting and blowing my nose and getting plenty of fluids. Luckily, I didn't have any orders today, so I didn't really have to worry about that. But I'm going to take today to rest up and make sure I'm good to go. Let's do some computer work because I still wanted to get a vlog out for you guys today. It is Vlogtober, so I had to vlog some kind of way for you guys and have something up. I may not have this video up until tomorrow, so we'll see how everything goes.